Hello guys, I'm Adriana and today with Leonardo we'll see this Samsung Fold 3 with network problems. It's a strange case where this device with an initial price of 1,800 euros occasionally loses the network. The truth is that right now there is not so much information about this kind of failure. To reach the motherboard, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 3 or 4 minutes with the help of the hot air gun. Then we use an ultra-thin pry to make a hole. In the next step, we cut the adhesive using a plastic pry. Finally, we've got the back cover out. With great care, we remove the screws from the bottom part and the plastic protector. We remove the flex that connects the motherboard with the sub-motherboard. Before continuing with the disassembly process, we'll proceed with the visual inspection in search of any fault. We have to inspect the antennas very well. As it is a high-end device, we have many antennas. Right now I don't have the service manual, so we are going blind. We continue with the disassembly process, removing the screws from the motherboard. Here we have the battery connector. We are going to remove the charging module, which contains several antennas. Remember that the visual inspection is very important in the entire repair process. For the moment, I don't see anything strange. We return with the assembly process and soon we'll find out where the fault is. Before continuing with the repair, I need to ask you a big favor. If you like the content of our YouTube channel, please help us with the strong like, subscribe and share the content. It is totally for free and is the best way to support us in this long journey. Thank you. Pay close attention to this flex. This is the network flex of the Samsung Fold 3. Now we'll check it with the help of the microscope. The failure of this device was the following. It worked for a couple of hours and then suddenly it stopped having network. But before assembling it again, I thought it's better to analyze the flex under the microscope. Just in this corner, the flex had a crack. Let's check it with the help of the microscope. At first glance, this small blow is impossible to see, but is there. We are going to scrape a little to see if there have lines underneath. We have exactly 4 lines. Because of this flex we can have intermittent faults. Sometimes the device may work and other times not, depending on the signal. So we'll use a new spare part flex from one of our suppliers. Now we are going to proceed to assemble the device and make the checks. We introduce the SIM card and we make a call. We can see that we don't have too much signal because our recording studio is very well soundproofed. After replacing the flex, we have tested it about 2 days and so far we don't have any problems.
Con el fin de mejorar para ti la atención y la propuesta comercial, grabaremos y analizaremos esta llamada.
Guys, he is Leonardo. This was today's video. Thanks for watching us and see you in the next one. Bye bye.